नमस्ते स्टूडेंट्स, हमेशा खुश रहो बेटियों। आई एम जेवेंस डॉक्टर नीरज धोलिया, फैकल्टी ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर वेटरनरी साइंसेज, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी. So we are here to study the subject behavioral science, and earlier we have studied the what is the behavioral animal behavior and what is the ethology. So next our session today is branches of the animal behavior, various branches of the animal behavior. Okay, so in the earlier sessions we have seen that what is the ethology, that is the study of the animal behavior, and behavior of animal is decide its evolution, its survival. Further, we have also shown that uh, what are the various approaches to study the animal behavior. Next, now move towards the various types of animal behavior. So broadly there are two types of animal behavior. One is called the intrinsic or innate behavior, and second is known as the learned behavior. So innate behavior or instinctive behavior is uh, related to the pre-learned behavior, and the learned behavior is acquired from the environment after the some time period. So the instinctive behavior or innate behavior, the most important example is the fixed action behavior, fixed action pattern. So this is a type of the instinctive behavior or innate behavior, like carrying of the egg by a bird. Okay, so carrying of a egg is an fixed action behavior. It doesn't uh, need any learning, it doesn't need any um, adaptation. Okay, so even the birds uh, take care of the eggs of the other birds in the time of the nesting period. So it is a fixed action pattern that is fixed in its gene level. Okay, then imprinting also a innate behavior. Okay, so imprinting may be imprinting comes in fixed action behavior, sorry, in innate behavior as well as in the learned behavior, because the uh, following of the baby birds of the mother, it is a imprinting means it is following his parents. You have seen many times that bird is flying, and behind that the their childs or these baby birds were flying. Like that, the bonding of young animal to the parent. Okay, it is also a example of the imprinting. The bonding needs a crucial time, means there is a crucial time which decides that an animal will be bond emotionally with his parents or not. This crucial time starts from the birth and in initial times. So that decides the bonding of the animal to his parent. Then there are various types of the innate behavior. What are the different types of the innate behavior? So one is the agonistic behavior. Agonistic behavior means the behavior of the fighting. Okay, fighting for food, fighting for shelter. This comes under the behavior of the agonistic behavior. So these are the types of the innate behavior. The second innate behavior is the dominance status. Dominance status means which animal will dominance in the group. So dominance behavior is very important because it lowers the chances of the fighting and wastage of the energy. The dominance status, it is already decided by a group that this individual will dominate our group. So this is the innate behavior. So next innate behavior is the territorial behavior. So many of the animals do bound their territories that uh, ranges from few meters to few kilometers. Okay, like the tiger or like the other animals, they have the territorial behavior, which is again belong to the innate behavior. Then next innate behavior is the altruistic behavior. Altruistic behavior means it is a behavior of animal which uh, which falls an animal in danger, and it cares for others. So in the altruistic behavior, the altruistic behavior is very distinct type of behavior. Okay, in this type of the behavior, the animal does not care about itself, and it cares for the another animal. So it puts itself in risk at the cost of the other. This is known as the altruistic behavior. So next type is the learned behavior. Okay, so learned behavior, as its name suggests, that this behavior comes after the learning. So first type of the learned behavior is the habituation. Okay, habituation to its environment. Habitate, it habituate its environment and learn from the its environment. Then associative learning. Associative learning means it associates the things from one thing to another thing. Means for example, if uh, there is a wind, so if wind is there, that means the animal can assume that there will be a raining. So the raining is associated with the wind. So this is the associative learning. Means once one thing is associated to the another thing. So if one thing is happen, the animal understood that the second thing will be happen. So this is the learned behavior. Okay, next is the latent or exploratory learning. Exploratory learning means the animal explore its environment, explore the surroundings, and learn the things which will be beneficial in the future. So this is the latent learning, that is not um, at the time it is required, but it may be required for future. So there are a few other types of learning behaviors. The insight learning, imprinting. So I told that imprinting comes in innate and in latent. Innate in the learned behavior also. So insight learning and imprinting, these are the two types of the learned behavior. So imprinting, I told that during a receptive period, what is the receptive period? Receptive period is the crucial or the sensitive period, which is generally around the initial period of the animal. Just after the birth, few months or few years, it is the receptive period which imprints the behavior in its mind. So that's why it is called the imprinting behavior. So insight learning, we are telling about the insight learning. So it is based on the information previously learned. Okay, so it is a perceptual learning. Perceptual means uh, the animal can analyze the things and learn from that. Okay, so this is the analytical learning, and it is the highest level of the learning, that is known as the insight learning. So here the animal um, use its brains and hypothesize and the think that what should be happen or what should not. Okay, so these are the learned behavior. So this session was powered by digital version 2 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied, and if you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will definitely resolve that. Thank you.